Welcome to this video on the history of the Ghanaian Cedi. We will explore its evolution from early trading mediums like cowry shells to the modern currency used in Ghana today. The story begins with cowry shells. In fact, the word Cedi itself means cowry shell. These shells were introduced to West Africa by Arab merchants in the 14th century and served as a common form of money until 1901. Before independence, Ghana utilized the British pound. After gaining independence, the nation established its own currency, the Ghanaian pound, in 1958. However, the country soon identified the need for a more efficient decimal system. In 1965, President Kwame Nkrumah introduced the First Cedi. The exchange rate was pegged at 2.4 cedis to 1 British pound, and the new banknotes prominently featured the president's portrait. The new decimal system divided 1 cedi into 100 pesewas. The state minted a series of copper-nickel coins in denominations of 5, 10, 25, and 50 pesewas, all featuring a distinct 5-pointed star on the reverse. Following the overthrow of President Nkrumah in February 1966, the new military government acted quickly to remove his likeness from the nation's currency, necessitating a rapid replacement. In 1967, Ghana introduced the Second Cedi, which citizens referred to as the New Cedi. The conversion rate was set at 1 Second Cedi for every 1.2 units of the First Cedi. The coins of the Second Cedi era celebrated Ghanaian culture. For example, the half pesewa coin featured traditional adowa drums, while the 2.5 pesewa coin showcased cacao fruits, a key element of the nation's economy. Over 4 decades, banknote designs evolved significantly. Early issues highlighted local flora, fauna, and workers, whereas later designs paid tribute to the Big Six, the foundational fathers of Ghana. Persistent high inflation over several decades caused the cedi to lose significant value against the dollar. By 2007, the economic situation required the printing of a 20,000 cedi note that was worth only $2. To address this, Ghana launched the Third Cedi in July 2007, removing 4 zeros. This re-denomination simplified transactions and helped restore confidence in the national currency, marking a pivotal moment in Ghana's financial history. Modern banknotes, such as the 200 cedi note introduced in 2019, incorporate advanced security features. These include anti-counterfeit holographic strips, security threads, and specialized microprinting to protect the integrity of the currency. This table summarizes the evolution of the cedi through time, detailing the different eras, conversion periods, and the changing visual themes that have defined Ghana's monetary identity. Today, collectors highly prize coins from the First Cedi era. Political instability at the time led to short print runs, and today, their rarity and condition in the secondary market drive significant collector interest. The history of the cedi is truly the story of Ghana itself, reflecting the nation's political shifts, economic struggles, and rich cultural heritage. Thank you for watching.